morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 12. Today is December 11th. I go to Tahoe in like a week. Well, maybe less than a week, definitely less than a week. And I am so freaking excited. I cannot wait. Basically, I'm going to Tahoe with Drew, his sister, and then his sister's fiance. Well, they're not engaged yet, but I basically see them as engaged, and I cannot wait to go to their wedding one day. Anyways, Brady, if you're watching this, put a ring on it, brother. I'm on my way to Lex's apartment right now, and we are gonna go run some errands, have a little girls' day. I really want to get a sandwich from Certified Bakery. I'm trying to convince her to ditch Chipotle and get Certified with me because she really wants Chipotle, but we can always go to both. And then we're gonna go to Target and Home Goods. I do want to get a little bit of Christmas shopping done just because I really have been slacking. Like I did pretty well on Christmas decor, all that stuff, but when it comes to like actual Christmas gifts, I haven't done anything. Like I've done diddly squat. So I need to do that. Before I got on the road, I went to the mailbox, got my mail, and guess what? Hold on. A letter from Drew. Drew wrote me a cute little letter. I'm really excited to open it. So we will open it. What are those people doing? We will open it when I get to her apartment. Guys, look who it is. I'm like, look at this, look at this. Oh. Wait, this is about to be. That should be illegal. Okay, I'm so excited. We're at Certified because where else would we be? And I convinced Lex to ditch Chipotle to come here. And I hope the food's worth it. It looks like it's gonna be long, so I'm excited. I'm super excited. This is my first time eating here, so I'm like. We'll give a review after. I got the chicken salad sandwich because I always get this. We're at Target right now. Lex is getting the essentials. We're getting gingerbread houses. We each get a different one. This is. Oh my gosh. Whoever did this. Who opened it? This one's cute. Everybody has their different one. Okay, so we'll do that. Look at how cute this is. When did Target get so creative? Honestly, let's just do two. Let's do the barn and yeah. I think 3 is gonna be there. Yeah. Okay. I think it'll be fun. I'm gonna get 5. A tree, a candy cane. Will this turn out good? Yeah, it should. Sometimes the stockings are cute. Okay. Or they can turn out like. We do 4. Yeah, let's just do 4. Stars or there's gingerbread. Like we'll separate this later. I don't know why the selection's so weird. They have Subway. Riddle me this. Did anybody else think that this was the coolest and greatest thing on earth? Because all of my aunts used to wear it and I would be like, wow, I want to be them. I want to wear that. And Lex had that face too. Bonus points if you had the blue one. Same with baby lips. Oh my gosh, don't even get me started. We're at Trader Joe's right now because we're gonna get flowers. Just got home from hanging out with Lex, and I'm gonna sit down and read the letter that Drew wrote me because I've been dying to open it. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh. Drew always writes the best little cards and they're so thoughtful. I'm gonna go call him and tell him thank you. Oh my gosh, this just made my whole day. If you're not writing cards with your boyfriend, write them. I want to show you guys a little haul of what I got. I pretty much already captured it already, like when I was out, but next weekend, Lex, Kaylee, and I are gonna be doing a little gingerbread house decorating. And we're gonna do it here, so I brought home both of them, but we got this holiday barn one and then this glitter chateau one. I am so excited for this one, literally cannot wait. Then I got some pink roses at Trader Joe's, some cookie cutters, and then 2 gift cards, 1 Cabela's and then 1 Nordstrom. Okay, I'm gonna get ready. Right now it is 3:34 and I've got church today at 5. So first I'm gonna fill up my little vase and then we're gonna do a little bit of editing and then I'm gonna head out, go to church, and then we'll come back. And I'm really excited because I want to make salmon tonight. Hyped about that. Then I've got a lot of studying to do. Finals is this week and I'm so nervous. We made it this far, only 1 week to go, and then I get to go back to Texas. Fun fact, I made this vase when I got my wisdom teeth out, and I think I was in day 3 or 4 of recovering, and my parents came and got me from my room because I was so depressed. I was so depressed because, you know, I couldn't eat anything and I love food. They came into my room and said, do you want to go to the art garage with us, which is this place where you can paint pottery, because they know I love doing that. And I was like, you guys are the best. So we did, and I made this, like a little vase. I am definitely feeling so sore after that workout with Lex yesterday. My arms, legs, butt, it all hurts, and this is a good sign because I haven't been in this pain in a while. So I definitely worked like new parts of my body. Okay, so first we gotta put in our flour food. I'm not actually sure how well flour food works. What if it's all a hoax? That's what I'm trying to say. Also, when Lex and I were in the car, we were talking about how strange it is that leaves, once they get all naked, because like right now, a lot of the trees here shed all of the leaves. How does a leaf grow off of a twig? And how does it know when to grow? Because what if I were to break off a twig? Would it still grow? I just don't understand how like a leaf can grow off of something so broken looking. But yeah, that was just daily thoughts with Caro. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my room because Drew got me flowers. He had them delivered to my house. They're absolutely beautiful. I love them so much. So I'm gonna put this one in my room because I've got his flowers up here. I just got out of church and it's freezing outside, like really freaking cold. Oh my gosh, Drew, look.
What?
Okay, I wanted to open this package on camera because somebody on Instagram DM'd me and said that they had their own little business that they were starting, and this girl's business is called Illuminations by Bella, and I really love shouting out small businesses and stuff, so if you ever want to send me something, DM me on Instagram and I would love to share your products. So let's see what she said. Her Instagram is illuminations_by_Bella, and she wrote me a letter. I love a good letter. Dear Caroline, thank you so much for letting me send you candles. I hope you enjoy them. I just recently opened my Etsy shop and made a promo for you / your followers. The code is Caroline20 for 20% off. The link to my shop is in my Instagram bio, thank you. I will put her link in the description. You can use my promo code Caroline20. I love candles, so this is great. Oh, This one is in the scent cupcake and I can already smell it from the outside. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. It smells like a marshmallow cupcake. And we've got, oh my gosh, hot cocoa. That smells like hot cocoa. Oh my gosh, I'm lighting this one tonight. Like, we're lighting it tonight. Candy cane. Oh my gosh. All of these literally smell amazing. This is heaven for me right now. I pay an arm and a leg for candles, so I'm very happy right now. Oh, Christmas tree. I cannot choose which one is my favorite because these genuinely all smell exactly what they're supposed to be. I'm so happy right now. Seriously, use my code Caroline20 because these are amazing. Thank you so much, Bella. You're so sweet. I love you.